Welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to talk 10 serious side effects of mushrooms on your health. Mushrooms remind us of delicious cuisines. They are low in calories and rich in vitamins and minerals. It is grown on its food source or above or below the ground. Mushrooms are used in many dishes all over the world for its taste and high nutritional content. There are also many poisonous mushrooms which pose serious hazard to your health. Want to know about unknown effects of mushrooms? Wait and watch the video. Mushrooms are consumed for their medicinal values and nutrition present in them. They are available in supermarkets. Edible mushrooms may also cause some side effects on certain individuals who have fungi allergies because they belong to the fungus group. So such individuals should take treatment and avoiding consuming mushrooms in future after experiencing the early symptoms. Number 1. Tiredness. Some of the individuals may experience fatigue after consuming mushrooms. You may also feel discomfort and unenergetic. This side effect has been common among many people. This side effect might make few individuals to skip them in the daily routine. Number 2. Stomach upset. Some of the mushroom side effects also create stomach problem among many. In some people, diarrhea has been a problem in eating mushrooms. The another stomach problems which one might experience are vomiting, cramping and nausea. Number 3. Absent-minded. An individual might also be in a state of hallucination. Hallucination is the state in which an individual becomes absent-minded. The mushrooms alter the perception of reality after consumption for some time. The hallucination effect are compared to the effect caused by LSD drugs. The individual experiences this effect within 20 minutes of consumption. After half an hour to 40 minutes, the effect reaches its peak. Some may also hear sounds louder than normal in their stomach. Mushrooms are known to make the immune system strong, while for some people, the mushrooms also result in skin rashes and skin irritations. Some also experience nose bleeding, dry nose, and dry throat, and other problems when they are taken in excess amount. Number 5. Tingling sensation. After 20 to 30 minutes of consumption of mushrooms, some people feel happy and excited. Then, along with the feeling of being excited, they also experience a tingling sensation in their whole body. After some time, people also experience being depressed. Number 6. Avoiding during pregnancy. Some doctors suggest women to avoiding consuming mushrooms during the breastfeeding and pregnancy. Though no serious side effects are reported, it is better to stay on the safe side by avoiding them. Number 7. Headache. Certain drugs cause headache as side effect, which wear off after some time. But some people experienced such headache for more than a day after consuming mushroom. Number 8. Anxiety. Mushrooms also cause anxiety in certain people, which ranges from mild to extreme level. This side effect was when mushrooms are taken in high doses. Number 9. Mental illnesses. Mental illnesses is the most serious side effect caused by mushroom in certain people. Mental disorders such as immune fear, panic attacks are experienced after taking mushrooms. Number 10. Dizziness. Some people have also reported serious dizziness after few hours of consumption. Mushrooms also cause confusions when consumed in high dosage. They also cause consciousness for those low blood pressure. Please follow up our Facebook page, link in the description. If you interest our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new update. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Coming up soon the next video.